So, hello again. So, for this video tutorial, this serves as a continuation of our RFID module video tutorial. So, in this video, we will going to make door access using the RFID module and plus with the 1602 LCD. So this LCD has an I2C module attached to it. This is soldered. So if you want tips about soldering, you can check our channel for the video about soldering. To connect this LCD, we have now 4 pins: ground, BCC, SDA, and SCL. So we will be using an additional 4 pins to connect this module. So one thing that is great about this I2C module is that I can use only 4 pins, and 2 data pins and 2 power supply pins compared to the parallel connection type LCD. So to connect this, we will connect the ground of our LCD module to the ground of our Uno board. And at the same time, we will connect the VCC of our LCD to the 5 volts pin of our Arduino. So let's connect this first. So let's put this on the ground pin of our Arduino or Uno board, and then we will connect the 5 volts or VCC to the 5 volts of our Uno board. For the SDA and SCL pin of our LCD of our I2C module, for the SDA pin, we will connect the SDA pin at pin A4 of our Uno board. And then for the SCL, we're going to connect this to the pin A5 of our Uno board. So once the LCD is connected, then you can now move on the code, uploading the code to our Uno board so that we can use this system as a door access. So, but for this time, we will not be having any output like relays and door locks. I'm just going to show you how to use this system for your door access project. So I have here a code uh, that has master tag, the one RFID tag or card that can open up access to your try to upload the code. So let's check the board, Arduino Uno, and for our port, we have COM8. So this port varies from my PC to your laptop or any laptop. So make sure you have the proper port for your Uno board. So once you check these parameters, we can now upload our code. So once we uploaded the code, you can now see that we have now display on our LCD. So it says here door access, scan RFID card. So let's scan our tag first. So it says access granted. So let's see the code here for access granted. So if your tag is the master ID or card, you can now write any code here. If you want to trigger on a relay or a door lock or many more. So it depends on your project how you use the door access or any access. So let's try to scan this card here. So let's scan. So access denied, card not valid. So for this code, I added some lines of code. Let's open up the serial monitor so you can see. So if you are not sure with the ID of your card, you can now, as I tap in this tag, you can now see the ID of your tag or RFID, whether it is access granted or denied. So if you want to make this card the master card or the card that can open the system, you can just type in this ID to your master tag or master ID. So let's try to copy this. So you can copy this, Control C, then paste it to this master tag. So let's again upload the code to update the master tag of the system. So we have now the master tag or master ID and the another tag for which this is not the master tag. So let's try this now if we can access the system. So it says here access denied, card not valid, and let's tap this one, access granted. Welcome back. So if you have many RFID tags or ID, you can now, with this code, you can see the ID of your tag or your RFID. So I hope this helps on your RFID module projects. And if you like this tutorial, please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates about prototyping and Arduino programming. So that's it for now. Thank you and bye bye.